Look down there, you'll see a stingray. My God, it's huge! Or is it a manta ray? Jesus Christ! We've just done a barracuda here as well. And some two stingray big mullet. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a big stingray down there. That big shadow moving. It's actually a whacking great big ray. I think it's a stingray. You might just be able to make it out. It's really hard. And there's another one just behind it. Underneath the fish, you can see the white wings moving. It's hard to see because the sun's right on the screen. He's just over there underneath all those fish. He comes back this way. You see his wingtips are white. It's absolutely massive. Must be about 20 or 30 feet of water. There's a whacking big stingray down there. See him moving now? You might just be able to make out the sting on his tail. Take down that way. Hopefully you can see that. God, he's massive! Bigger than a dustbin. Look at the size of it. Jesus!
You see his tail?
You can see his little stubby tail sticking out. Seems to have quite a short tail. Maybe it's not a stingray, but there you go, he's gone. There's all the gullet. Other fish, we don't know what they are, but they're nice.